To fix the issue with Call of Duty Black Ops 6 not launching on Steam, you need to identify the problem and take steps to resolve it. First, ensure you are playing on Steam, as this solution is specifically designed for this platform. The issue is likely related to a missing file, which can be found by navigating to the game's installation directory. On your computer, go to the C, Program Files, x86 folder, then open the Steam folder, followed by the Steam Apps and Common folders. If you have Call of Duty installed, you should see a folder related to the game. Open this folder and look for the bootstrapper.log file. Double-click this file to open it, and it will display any errors that occurred when trying to launch the game. Check the error message for a specific phrase, which indicates that the game is unable to find a particular file. This file, rangrid.size, is likely installed on a different drive than the rest of the game, causing the launch issue. To fix this, you need to locate the rangrid.size file on your computer, either on the C or D drive, depending on where the game is installed. Once you find the file, right-click on it and copy it. Then, navigate to the folder mentioned in the error message and paste the copied file into this location. This should resolve the issue, as the missing file is now in the correct location. After completing these steps, relaunch the game, and it should now open and function as expected. If you are still unsure, repeat the process, and carefully follow each step to ensure you have completed all the necessary actions to fix the issue.